So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit members in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your left side of the screen. You can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolio. So you can even add a new plan through here. Now on here you can see a layout like this, so you can have some plans on there as well. So let's just open a plan. So on here it's going to be, let's say, this one. And in order to edit members, you will need to go to the top right of the screen so you can see view and add members. So let's create this group and you can see adding plan to group, and okay, nice job, you've created a group. So through here, once you've added people, and you will need to add them through a group, and you can edit them through a group as well. So if you click on this, you can see your group and you can click on that. So right now it's going to give you, you're going to be given this, it says plan owner. So if you have some other people, so in a group, they're going to be on here and called either members or other owners as well. So through there, you can also go and open up a task and you can assign it to someone. So if you have more members, you can assign them through there, so you can edit them or who gets which task through there, and you can just remove owners and stuff like that through here as well. So there's a few ways you can go on about switching up members and adding people through Planner. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.